Let's take a look at the Ailun clip for your Apple Airtag. So this is a really cool thing you can use to attach an Apple Airtag to your luggage or an item, like in this case, my camera, that you want to keep track of. So it doesn't come with the Airtag. You have to buy the Airtag, but it's basically a little clip and you put the Airtag in there. There's two pieces to this. As you can see here, they clip together, sandwich that Airtag in, and then it has this little carabiner style attachment that you can use to put this onto whatever you want to track. And in this case, I've got it on my camera, so if I ever were to leave my camera somewhere or lose it, I can pull up the Find My app and use that Airtag to track it down, and this just keeps it nicely attached, really secure. I also use these when I travel for attaching an Airtag to my luggage so I can see where that is if it ever gets lost or misplaced. And I find it's a really nice, easy solution. This has held up well for me. It's secure, it holds that Airtag in place, and just makes it super simple to click this on to anything that you want to keep track of.